Jatend riwruok mar okinde pachoka LSK Faith Odhiambo onyiso jatend piny William Ruto mondo ochop singo mare mar chulo anyuola manowito jogi kata yudo hinyruok e lwet obila e kinde ng'anyo mag kwedo chik mar omenda. Kotwak kod jofwamb weche e kinde romo mar tiyo gi lony manyasani e kelo lokruok e bore Nairobi, Faith nolero ni moko kuom anyuola manowito jogi pod kale midhiero mapek mar solo omenda mar dhi iko jogigo, kata odoko ni Ruto to nosingo ni biro chulogi e bwo jumbe 2 mokalo. Bende oseyo jatend jomin wach Renson Ingonga kuom bolo lwete ni ok onyal mako bura e doho ne obila majendeke mane ochielo rowere gi magina e kinde ng'anyo kaluwore ni onge mar neno moromo, konyise mondo mi oti kod teko ma chik omiye e choko neno mar tero obilago e doho.
The reason why he does not have those statements is because they have not facilitated an environment that people can actually report. And most importantly as well is that the head of state spoke in his last speech saying the way they will support these families, ensure they get compensation. Most of these families, apart from those who even have lost their loved ones, some who have been injured are still struggling. We're seeing people holding harambes to bury their dead. We're seeing people holding harambes to be able to treat their loved ones that were injured because of police brutality. Let us actually see tangible action. Let us see the head of state coming out and setting, even if it's a kitty, or how will they ensure that they'll compensate most of these victims, because the reality is the current environment and the consistent conduct of the National Police Service to use excessive force and the issue of the continued disappearances does not give people confidence in the National Police Service. We need to see the Director of DCI ensuring that he carries out proper investigations to ensure Kenyans that they're actually serious. He has an independent constitutional office and he cannot come and tell the people of Kenya that he's helpless. He should rack his brains and find solutions. How does he support these families to ensure that their statements can be taken, to also press the Director of DCI to ensure that they carry out proper investigations, that if some of these families need witness protection, that they ensure that the same is offered, so that if they are serious about actually investigating and prosecuting some of these cases, we've been able to reach out to our power as the Law Society of Kenya. In some instances, families that are too scared, LSK will accompany them, or we can ask them to a comfortable place where they feel. We invite IPO and LSK goes there as well.